There are many scenarios where creating a design as a multi-body part makes more sense than creating an assembly. A welded frame with sheet metal panel, such as this box trolley, is one of them. This is pretty typical of a welded design, with structural members for the main structure, gussets, and sheet metal panel on the side and the bottom. SolidWorks 2012 now makes it even easier to detail your multi-body designs ready for manufacturing. Exploded views can now be created to detail the relationship between components, how they should be welded together, and in what order. The process is almost identical to creating an exploded assembly. All you need to do is to select the bodies to be moved. You can, of course, select multiple bodies for each step. The triad makes it easy to define the explode distance and direction and simply drag the bodies on screen. As in assemblies, you can create one or more explode steps, evenly spaced exploded stacks of bodies, or edit previous steps to include a new body. If you prefer to manufacture your design as a series of sub-weldments, SolidWorks 2012 has some significant enhancements here too. Just like with any other body, a sub-weldment can be inserted into a new part to make it easier to detail or to use it as a starting point for a new design. The cut list properties defined in the original design are now transferred from the sub-weldment into the derived part and remain associative as long as the parts are linked together. This is clearly indicated in the cut list properties dialog box to avoid any confusion. Any new property created, edited, or deleted in the parent part will be reflected in the derived part. This applies to both sheet metal bodies and weldment bodies, so you can detail your sub-weldments and be confident that the information in the cut list is accurate and up to date. After the design change, we can see the cut list has updated automatically. Switching over to the derived part, we see that not only is the geometry updated, but also the properties are up to date as well. Finally, exploded views for multi-body parts are also supported in drawings. Just like an assembly, exploded views can be dragged onto the sheet from the view palette, or simply toggle with the Explode View switch in the Property Manager or right mouse button menu. SolidWorks 2012 enables you to create and detail multi-body parts with as much speed and flexibility as assemblies, but with all the added benefits of multi-body modeling.